So student, in this video we are going to solve with our second part of question number 1 of exercise 3.5. okay, so again we have to find whether the system of equation has unique solution, no solution or infinitely many solution, और अगर ये unique solution है then we have to find it by using cross multiplication method. So let us see, consider this as our first equation एंड दिस इज अवर सेकेंड इक्वेशन. तो जैसे हमने पिछले सम में किया था ओके वैसे हम करेंगे. वी विल कंपेयर दिस, है ना. सो कंपेयरिंग इक्वेशन 1 बाय जनरल फॉर्म a1x प्लस b1y प्लस c1 इक्वल्स टू 0 एंड इक्वेशन 2 बाय a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. what we will get, a1 हमें कितना मिलेगा, let us see what we are getting. a1 हमें क्या मिल रहा है 2. ओके, b1 हमें क्या मिलेगा, b1 will be equal to 1. ओके, now see यहाँ पे हम क्या कर सकते हैं. फर्स्टली वी कैन कन्वर्ट इनटू इट्स जनरल फॉर्म. कैसे जनरल फॉर्म में इसको कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, इसको हम ऐसा लिख सकते हैं 2x प्लस वाई माइनस 5 इक्वल्स टू 0. अगेन दिस सेकेंड इक्वेशन कैन बी रिटन एज वॉट 3x प्लस 2y माइनस 8 इक्वल टू 0 लिख सकते हैं. ओके, सो अवर c1 इज इक्वल्स टू वॉट, हमारा c1 कितना आ रहा है -5. अगेन a2 इज इक्वल्स टू वॉट 3, our b2 is equals to what 2 and c2 equals to what -8. so we will take out ratios a1 upon a2 is equals to what 2 upon 3. okay, now we will take b1 upon b2. so what is our b1 upon b2, 1 upon 2. so you can see here that from our first and second ratio they are not equal, है ना. so from 1 and 2 we can say that a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. clear students, ये हम ये दोनों रेशियो से देख सकते हैं that our a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. therefore you can say that pair of lines has unique solution. pair of lines has unique solution. okay students, so now we will do cross multiplication. okay, we will do cross multiplication method. therefore by cross multiplication method we know that, हमको ये पता है. अब हम यहाँ पे आते हैं, देखिए what we have done in our previous concept, this cross multiplication method. so final जब हम आए थे अपने result पे, so what was our result by cross multiplication method. we can see that x upon, है ना, ये स्ट्रक्चर मैंने आपको बताया था. so that structure I am drawing here. okay, मैं यहाँ पे इसको बता रहा हूँ. so I am writing here what x upon b1 b2 c1 c2. okay, this will be multiplied equal to y upon c1 c2 a1 a2 and this will be multiplied. okay, and equal to 1 upon a1 a2 and here I will write b1 b2 and these will be multiplied. देखिए यही था. ओके, एक्चुअल में ये क्या था, x अपॉन b1 c2 माइनस b2 c1 इक्वल टू y अपॉन c1 a2 माइनस c2 a1 इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन a1 b2 माइनस a2 b1, यही था. ओके, सो मैंने उसको ये यहाँ पे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड में उसको एक्सप्रेस कर दिया. राइट, so this means what, this will be equals to x upon, now you can say here that what it is equal to what b1 c2 minus b2 c1. so you can write it what b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal to y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1, c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equals to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. so this will be a1 b2 minus a2 b1. ऑल वी हैव डन इन आवर प्रीवियस क्लास. ओके, प्रीवियस क्लास में मैं पूरा डिराइव करके आपको बता चुका हूँ. सो आई होप आपने वो वीडियो देख लिया होगा. सो I will now simply put the values over here. So B1 C2. B1 C2 means what? Now what is value of B1 here? 1. And what is value of C2 here? -8. So I will write what? 1 into -8. Clear, students? Similarly B2 C1. So B2 C1 will be what? 2 into -5. So I will write here 2 into -5. I hope आपको ये clear हो रहा होगा. We are simply substituting the values only. Equal to y upon now C1A2. What is our C1A2? C1A2 means what? -5 into 3. So this will be equal to what? -5 into 3 minus C2A1. So C2A1 is what? -8 into 2. So this will be -8 into 2 equal to 1 upon A1 B2. Now A1 B2 means what? 2 into 2. So this will, I write A1 B2 means what? 2 into 2 minus A2 B1. So A2 B1 means what? 3 into 1. So this will be equals to what? 3 into 1. Clear? So now finally I will get what? 1 into -8 will be -8. Okay, this will be what? 1 into -8 will be -8. Okay, and minus into minus will be plus. So this will be 2 5s are 10 equals to y upon -5 into 3 will be -15. Minus into minus will be plus. 2 8s are 16 equals to 1 upon, now 2 2s are 4 minus 3 1s are 3. I hope आपको ये clear हो गया होगा. Okay, now finally we will get what? -8 plus 10 will be what? 2. So I will write here what? This will be equals to x upon 2 equals to, now -15 plus 16 will be what? 1. So equals to y upon 1 equals to 1 upon 4 minus 3 means what? 1 upon 1. 4 minus 3 means what? 1. I hope आपको यहाँ तक clear हो रहा होगा students. Okay, so now students, finally we will calculate value of x and y as what? कैसे calculate करेंगे? We will compare first and third ratio. Since 3 ratios are equal, ये तीनों ratio equal हैं, इसलिए हम पहले first और third को compare करेंगे, then we will compare second and third. Okay, so this implies what? X upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 1. We are comparing our first ratio x upon 2 and our third ratio 1 upon 1. So this implies what? X equals to 2 upon 1 means x equals to 2. तो हम यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि we have cross multiplied 2. So this will become what? 2 upon 1 means what? 2. So our x is getting what? 2. हमारा x कितना आ रहा है? 2. Right students? Similarly we will compare our second and third ratio. हमने पहले क्या किया? फर्स्ट और थर्ड रेशियो को कंपेयर किया तो हमें x मिला. नाउ वी विल कंपेयर आवर सेकेंड एंड थर्ड रेशियो. This is our second ratio and this is our third ratio. So we will compare them. So let us see what we will get. Y upon 1 equals to 1 upon 1. So this means what? Y equal to 1. So we will get what? Y equals to 1. And this is our final answer. Therefore, x equals to 2 and y equals to 1 is the solution of our question. Is that clear students? I hope आपको ये clear हो गया होगा. Simply we have to put the value, simply we have to substitute the value. Okay, और ये कैसे आया था? That we have done in our previous classes. ये proof मैंने आपको बताया है cross multiplication method का. Okay, so hoping that you got this. Okay, it is very easy. So we will move on to our next part in next video. Thank you.